In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and customize headings in Microsoft Word. Let's get started by opening your document and moving your mouse to the very top of the page, just above the first line of text. Double-click right in that top margin area. When you do this, Word switches you into the header editing mode. You'll know it worked if you see a faint boundary at the top and a new header and footer tab appear on the ribbon. This area is reserved for content that repeats automatically on every page, which makes it perfect for a consistent document heading such as a report title, a project name, or a chapter label. If your cursor doesn't land in the header the first time, try a slightly higher spot on the page until you see the header boundary activate. Now that the header is active, add your heading by clicking the header button on the ribbon. This opens a gallery of built-in header designs. Pick a style that suits your document. Something clean and readable is usually best. As soon as you select a design, Word inserts a formatted header with placeholder text. Click into that placeholder and type your heading text. Keep it short and descriptive so it looks good across multiple pages. You can adjust the font, size, and color, just like normal text using the Home tab or the mini toolbar that appears when you select the text. If you want the heading centered or aligned to the left or right, use the alignment buttons. You can also tweak spacing by pressing Enter to add a line break or backspace to tighten things up, but avoid adding too many empty lines so the header doesn't crowd your page content. A few quick tips as you refine the look. Choose a legible font that matches your document's tone, and keep contrast high so it's easy to read when printed. If your document has a long title, consider a slightly smaller font size so it doesn't wrap awkwardly. Remember that anything in the header appears on every page, so consistency is automatic once you set it up. If you ever need to switch styles, click Header again and choose a different design. Word will preserve your text while updating the formatting. When your heading looks the way you want, simply click back into the main body of the document to continue working. Your heading is now in place, polished, and repeated throughout the document, giving your pages a professional, unified look.